Hi! In front of me is Doogee S40 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings and choose Connected Devices. Now tap on Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, you need to tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the Bluetooth pop-up over here and wait for this device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can also do that by clicking on the device that you just connected to, choosing Forget and confirming your choice, in the pop-up by tapping on Forget Device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!